At Rev and Vimeo, we believe the most effective way to reach your audience is by making your content accessible to everyone, which is why automated captions powered by Rev are now included in each of Vimeo's paid plans and automatically applied to each video uploaded to Vimeo. For those videos that need more accurate, human-generated captions or global subtitles, we've made the checkout and integration process between Rev and Vimeo as seamless as possible. First, let's take a look at how to place an order for your Vimeo uploads through your Rev account. When logged into your Rev account, click Place New Order and select Captions from the drop-down menu. From here, click the Vimeo button. Now you'll log into Vimeo to begin setting up the integration. Once logged in, select Allow in order to give Rev access to your account. Your Rev and Vimeo accounts are now linked. To place your first order, select the video or videos from Vimeo and click Add Selected to Cart. Now you can choose which services you'd like to add to your videos. For this project, we want to add Spanish subtitles, and we'll leave this box checked to allow Rev to automatically deliver and upload the completed files to Vimeo when the service is complete. We've now made it possible to do all of this through Vimeo's website as well. Let's take a look. In your video settings, click on the CC button on the right, and then we'll select Settings and select the Rev button below, and click Order Captions with Rev. Here, you'll sign into your Rev account. And if you don't already have a Rev account, you can sign up for one now. Once you've signed in, you'll be asked to allow Rev to access your Vimeo account, permitting Rev to automatically load your captions or subtitles right into your video as soon as the service is complete. Next, you can select which services and add-ons you'd like to add to your video. Then click Checkout and you'll be taken to the payment screen. If you're a returning customer with a saved credit card on file or account credits, you can select your card or credits and click Order Captions. If you've not saved a card on file, you'll be prompted to add your payment information here, with an option to save your information for future orders. After you've placed your order, Rev will email you a copy of your receipt. You can also find this in your Rev account at rev.com. We've also given you the option to enable autopool. This feature allows your future videos uploaded to Vimeo to automatically be submitted to Rev for human-generated captions. And that's it. With the Rev and Vimeo integration, we're confident that your content will begin reaching new and broader audiences.